As BSP Supremo Mayawati pays tribute to TN party chief in Chennai, cops have arrested 3 more suspects in the murder of the Tamil Nadu BSP chief Armstrong. With these 3 arrests, a total of 11 people have been arrested in the case so far. Now remember, the Tamil Nadu BSP chief was hacked to death by a group of 8 assailants who came on bikes and attacked the BSP leader with a machete outside of his residence on Friday. The Madras High Court held a special sitting to hear a writ petition by Armstrong's wife. This petition sought permission to bury his body within the party office premises at Perambur in Chennai and raise a tomb there as well. Now, since the office is already located in a congested area, the court has suggested an alternative place of burial, to which the wife is yet to respond. As the probe intensifies, cops have ruled out any political angle, but have hinted at personal rivalry as the motive behind his murder. But beyond this, politics over the grisly murder continues. While the BSP continues to demand a CBI probe into the murder, the BJP has slammed the DMK government over the lawlessness in the state. It is also said that the safety of the common man is not assured under the DMK rule.
आप लोग सब बहुत दुखी हैं, हमारी पार्टी बहुत दुखी है और परिवार के लोग भी बहुत दुखी हैं, लेकिन अब वो हमारे बीच में नहीं रहे हैं। ऐसे में मेरा उनके साथियों से, पार्टी के लोगों से यही कहना है, तो जिस हिम्मत और हौसले के साथ वो जी जान से इस पार्टी मूवमेंट को इस क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़ाते रहे, तो आप लोग इस मूवमेंट को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। तो उनको भी जिधर भी, अभी मैं तो अंधविश्वास में ज़्यादा यकीन नहीं रखती, लेकिन जो उनकी काम करने की जो उनकी चाहत थी, गरीब और मजलूमों की मदद करने की, एक एडवोकेट होने के नाते भी गरीबों की वो बहुत मदद करते थे। फ्री में उनका केस वगैरह देखते थे, गरीब होते थे, उनकी आर्थिक मदद करते थे। तो बहुत ही सुशील नेचर के, मानवतावादी नेचर का उनका व्यक्तित्व था। तो इसलिए उनके जिस तरीके से हत्या किया, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा दुख है, पार्टी को बहुत ज़्यादा दुख है। आप शांति बनाए रखें और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट भी कानून व्यवस्था की तरफ ध्यान दें और जो दबे कुचले लोग हैं उनके साथ आगे जुल्म जाती नहीं होनी चाहिए। और जिन्होंने भी हमारे स्टेट के प्रेसिडेंट की हत्या किया, उनको ऐसी कड़ी सजा सरकार दे। यदि आप नहीं हैं तो इस मामले को सीबीआई से को रेफर करें। तो इन्हीं चंद बातों के साथ मैं पुनः इनके परिवार को, जो स्टेट के प्रेसिडेंट अब नहीं रहे, उनके परिवार को विश्वास दिलाना चाहती हूँ कि हमारी पार्टी उनके साथ है। हर सुख दुख की घड़ी में हम उनका पूरा साथ देंगे। धन्यवाद। जय भीम, जय भारत।
That is BSP Chief Mayawati. Again, she's in Perambur at this moment. That's where the visuals are coming from of her attending the funeral of the TN BSP chief as well. Importantly, let's go through some of the statements that she just made. She, of course, has said that the party is grieving alongside the family of the BSP TN chief Armstrong, who you can also see on your screens at this moment. Remember, this is a very tragic incident that has occurred. As for the probe so far, 11 people have been arrested. There were 3 new arrests that have been made in the last 24 hours itself. But a few important things is that she also gave tribute to the TN chief, saying that essentially he was somebody who worked for the poor, for the women, overall the downtrodden, saying that he was an advocate for the poor as well. Also saying that the party stands with the family in this time of grief. Remember, when it comes to the politics, the BSP has demanded a CBI probe into this horrific murder that's taken place. Remember, he was hacked to death. 11 arrests have been made so far. Alternatively, when we talk about the BJP's reaction, they have completely lashed out at the DMK, putting the spotlight on the lawlessness in the state. Currently in Chennai, what is taking place are the funeral arrangements for the BSP TN chief that was very tragically and horrifically hacked to death. Now, importantly as well, what's taking place and what has taken place in the Madras High Court in connection with this was that the TN BSP chiefs wife had actually filed a petition in order for the burial to take place on the BSP office premises. But the court had given a response saying, and they had given an alternative arrangement for it, considering that the office premises is already very congested. To this, though, the wife is yet to respond. We're crossing over to my colleague Dharni to get us more. Dharni, we've just listened in to a portion of the BSP Supremo Mayawati's speech saying that the party, of course, grieves and stands with the family of the tragically murdered BSP TN chief.
Right now in Perambur area of Chennai to pay tributes to murdered Tamil Nadu state president of the party, Armstrong. She came along with her nephew Akash Anand to this location, and just a while back she paid her tributes and respects to murdered state BSP president Armstrong. And while talking here, Mayawati has told that the law and order situation in Tamil Nadu is not very good. It is because of poor law and order this murder of Armstrong has taken place, and that Mayawati is demanding a CBI probe into this matter. She tells that the state government must take steps immediately to transfer this case to the CBI. These are the two, this is the major demand that we are looking at from Mayawati. She is also very strongly making a point that the law and order situation in Tamil Nadu is deteriorating, and that it is getting worse, and it is because of that these kind of gruesome incidents are taking place in the state in broad daylight. And she is also telling that the Tamil Nadu government should make sure that justice is delivered in this murder. The state government should ensure justice gets delivered to the murdered BSP Neta. So these are the words coming from BSP Chief Mayawati, who just arrived in Chennai around an hour back to pay tributes and respects to Armstrong. You can see the crowd in the location here. Thousands of people from across Chennai, they have come here in person to pay their tributes to Armstrong and also to see Mayawati. Mayawati is also likely to hold a press conference. Sources are telling that in Chennai, Mayawati may hold a press conference in another 1 hour. That is yet to be confirmed information, but for the moment she is leveling a very huge allegation against the Tamil Nadu government, telling that it is because of the poor law and order maintenance, it is because of the poor administration, the misgovernance, these kind of gruesome incidents are taking place, and the state government should take all necessary steps immediately to ensure justice is delivered in this case, and that the case needs to be transferred to the CBI immediately. Remember for the past couple of days, the Karyakartas of the Bahujan Samaj Party in Tamil Nadu, the Tamil Nadu state unit, they have also been demanding a CBI probe into this matter. In fact, they've been claiming that the 11 people who have got arrested in this case so far, they are not the real culprits. They have zero connection to the murder. The real culprits are still outside, and they need to be arrested is what the Karyakartas of Bahujan Samaj Party have been climbing for the past couple of days. And here, while talking, among the crowd, Mayawati also made a point that the real culprits in this case needs to be arrested. So this makes us wonder whether Mayawati is also supporting the claim of her party cadre that the real culprits of this case are still out. Whether she is supporting this claim, it looks like she is supporting this claim. She has made a very strong statement telling that the real culprits needs to be arrested. But we also know for a fact that the Chennai police have arrested 11 people in this case so far. Earlier, eight people got surrendered by themselves, and then later, yesterday night, the Chennai police arrested 3 more people, making the total arrest count to 11.